Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Dizzy double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. So that's 1 and 2. Skip 1 chain. Into this next chain, make 2 double crochet. So that's 1 and 2. Skip 1 chain. Into this next chain, make 2 double crochet. So that's 1 and 2. You're now going to skip 1 chain and make 2 double crochet into the next chain until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 2 chains left. You're going to skip 1 chain and into the last chain of your row, make 1 double crochet by itself. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we are simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Row 3 is going to be very similar to row 1, but we're going to be working into stitches instead. You're going to skip the first stitch of your row. Into this next one, make 2 double crochet. Skip the next stitch. Into that next one, make 2 double crochet. Skip this next stitch. Into this next one, make 2 double crochet. You're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Into this stitch, work 1 double crochet by itself. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Dizzy double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.